This is the reality of drains in underdeveloped countries. They are always nearly full with stagnant sewage water and is heavily deposited with dirt and solid waste. They needs to be cleaned manually, that requires a lot of manpower. This also create an unsanitary condition. Usually, the sludge is picked up manually and kept on road. It is left for a day so that the water content gets reduced. The vehicle during that time spreads this dirt, creating more problems. The nearly dried sludge are then picked up manually and kept on a tractor and carried to a landfill. However, some of the black sludge remains on the roads. As with this method, 100% of sludge cannot be picked up. The color change also occurs, where the black color changes to muddy color after a day or when dried. This makes the drain sludge seem like a normal road dirt. Now, these dirt gets into air and makes the road dusty. These drains carry both rainwater and sewage, which often floods during rainfall. The main solution to this is that all drains should be completely covered and made underground. The rainwater should be collected in the catch basin with a perforated opening on the ground. Sewer lines should be connected separately to each houses. Investing on a proper drainage system and a proper sewerage system can make the city clean and healthy. Developed countries has done it 100 years back. Now, it is the time for each country to focus on a robust drainage system to make the city more livable.